Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question if we can improve the stabilization of the GoPro during the night. Here we are seeing some footage of the GoPro HERO Black, but as far as I can see, they have all the same problem. Doesn't matter if it's just the GoPro 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or the latest 11. Probably the problem will also be on the latest edition, the 12, which will come out probably in 2023. I mean, I really love the GoPros. I have already two of them. I love their footage during the day, but during the night, yeah, it's unfortunately not so good, especially regarding brightness, and even worse, the stabilization. Stabilization is definitely not the greatest during the night. Every middle class smartphone with a little bit of optical image stabilization will deliver definitely way better results. There's absolutely no doubt about that. And so I've been looking for ways to improve that. I've been watching videos for hours, trying around with settings, and there was absolutely no improvement. My last thing what I've been doing and what I've been thinking what could solve or improve the situation was the narrow field of view, because usually I was using the super view, I mean the widest angle, and as we know, as soon as we are using the widest angle, then there is not much space on the side for good image stabilization. So it's always a challenge for the action cameras, and when we are narrowing the field of view, then the action cameras have much more space outside of the image to work with the stabilization. And so I was hoping for some improvement, but it was actually not. I mean, of course, here on the right side you can see the wider field of view, on the left side the much more narrow field of view, but unfortunately there's almost nothing to see, no improvement so far on every step which I make, and just holding the cameras in front of me you can see the shaking. And I have been comparing the stabilization with some cheaper action camera like the Wolfgang GA420, which is only about third of the price of the GoPro, and I have to admit that even the much cheaper Wolfgang GA420 is delivering much better stabilization. Of course, it's not delivering better footage in general because it has some other problems, but when it comes to just the stabilization, then even the cheap Wolfgang GA420 is better than the GoPro. I don't know what they are doing at the GoPro. Stabilization during the day is awesome at the GoPro, but during the night it's definitely not good. So that's it for the moment. I think I'm not going to try even more settings. I think it's totally hopeless. Maybe we get some improvement with a GoPro 15 or so. I don't know, maybe they will add finally then some optical image stabilization, but until then I don't see any reason to buy new GoPros if you're just interested in good night footage. And I mean, I'm really only talking about the stabilization. I'm not talking about the general footage during the night, because when you are using a tripod during the night or even doing some time-lapse videos, you can achieve really nice results, but it's just the stabilization which is not on a really good level. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or maybe you have found the perfect setting to improve finally the night stabilization of the GoPro, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things and learn new stuff. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.